I can't put it in. Oh, there you go. Okay, I did it. Why is this so wobbly? It's an elephant. Never looks something else to me though. It's very thick though. It's very wobbly. Very nice. Oh my god. You guys are breaking me. I deserve the bonk. I deserve the bonk. Keep playing with the it's just this. It's just this, right? And that is very nice. I see the next live stream. Alright, the Jonathan. Doesn't it, Bryn? Yeah, it reminds me of an elephant. You know, like the little trunk. What is it called? A trunk? I feel like it's called a trunk. The little nose, the little elephant. You guys are dirty minds, you guys. You guys are dirty minds. I am not the dirty one here. You guys. No balls, no a horse is. It's like an elephant. Boo! 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 Right? It doesn't look like an elephant. Boo! Boo! Oh my god, why'd you send me that? No! Why'd you send me that? PP. Chat, PP. Alright, how do we end this? Will we end this? What? 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 What did I just do? It's a boner and no boner. Why would she play with the good? What? I missed! Okay, there we go. That's the entire game. That was the ending, I think. Really? All things ended with PP. No, ended with an elephant. Really, it ended with an elephant. Woo, woo, woo. Ouch, that must have hurt. Oh, PP. Do I take it out or something? Hi, CL. You came in the Hi, Name. How you doing? It's floppy. It's really floppy. It's a really elephant. Don't you guys think it's an elephant? Yo. Woo! 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 Oh my god. I can't anymore. I can't. An elephant trunk doesn't stand straight though. Yes, it does when you do when you eat them peanuts. We're playing with the floppy finger. Yes, I'm playing with the floppy finger. Do you like it? Boo 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 boo. Boo boo boo. What is that? I don't know. I don't know. What does an elephant make? Boo. Boo. What does it make? Boo. That's a cow. Wait, what am I saying? Cow makes a moo sound, right? I don't know. Let me see what an elephant sounds like. Bird likes it. No, I don't like it. Rin, you're saying more yummy sounds. No! I'm not! Imagine if we're not a drug, she would be like, what the No! It's an elephant! An elephant! Frick! It's an how do you spell elephant sound? It's like an arm. This is how an elephant sounds like. That's not what an elephant sounds like. What the frick? There we go. That blasted your guys' eardrums. There we go. See, that's how an elephant sounds like. Oh my god. You hug the elephant truck all day? No. That's more like it. I thought dirty mind. What are you doing?